Hello my friends, in this case we want to learn about hold and fetch. Okay, if you not be sure about your project procedure or not be sure about your result of your project, you can hold your project in a specific point or specific time of doing your projects. Okay, I have this project here and I want to hold this result in memory. So go to edit and click hold. So I want to make or create some objects like a box, cylinder, truss, and teapot. And I want to back to the specific point that I before save it in the memory, so I can go to edit and click fetch. That 3D Studio Max asks us about this command, and I want to click the yes, and you can see we come back to the specific point of our project, and we can go on our projects or modeling our objects or do everything about this project. So all the commands that you do after clicking the hold command will be ignored or will be undo in the pressing the fetch command. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, subscribe our channel in YouTube and follow our page in Instagram. Thanks a lot. See you in the next lesson.